In this video, I want to share with you how to convert or to change the layout of one of your pages. So assuming we have these 3 pages arranged, the second page can be a landscape and the other page can be portrait, and continuously like that. So you may require this in the midst of your journal writing or in the midst of your thesis or any kind of report writing. You may require that these pages be different. Okay, so at this point maybe you want page 2 to be landscape and page 3 to continue on portrait. So to do that, all you need to do is to start by, so let's have the normal document without the landscape in it. Okay, so this is the main document without the portrait, so without the landscape. All are in portrait. So you can see page 1, page 2, everything in portrait, and page 3 is in portrait as well. So if you want to convert page 2 to landscape, there are 2 things you must do. You must break the first page from the second page, so you have to add a page break. So you can come to the end of the first page. All right, this is the end of the first page, and you can come to layout, you can come to breaks and click on next page. All right, so you've already broken this page from this page, so you can bring in this up a little bit. All right, recentralize it. So now that it has been broken, you want to make this financial summary to be a landscape. So you just come to the layout also and go to orientation. You can come to landscape, and it has made it to landscape. This is portrait and this is landscape. But then unfortunately you will discover that this page and the next page also becomes landscape. Okay, so you can see it becomes landscape continuously, but we want the next page after the financial summary to be portrait, to be back to portrait. Okay, so we can come back to the financial summary page because we want to break in the next page. So we'll create a break over here against the next page. So we'll come to the same layout, come to breaks, and we'll come to break at next page, and we can come over here and just bring back our page to normal. All right, to the normal position, and we centralize it as usual. Then once you are on that page, this is the page we want to make portrait. So you come back to or layout and come to orientation, and you can make it portrait because now you have separated it from the second page. So right now you can see you have 3 different pages on different formats. The first one is in portrait, the second one is in landscape, and the third one is in portrait. So you can do the same for as many pages as you want. Once you get to that page from where you want to move, change the orientation, you have to create a page break. So I hope you enjoyed this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the like and subscribe buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.